Debarati. I'm a graduate student at McGill University, a volunteer with Let's Talk Science, and also a member of NASA's Mars Science Laboratory team. I work with the ChemCam suite and the LIBS instrument on the Mars Rover and shoot lasers on Mars to determine the chemical composition of Martian rocks. For next week because it's the launch window for the Mars 2020 rover Perseverance. By the time you're watching this video, you may have even actually watched the launch, and I really hope it went well. I'm really excited because the Perseverance rover is going to specifically seek for signs of ancient life and even collect core samples from the surface of Mars for a future sample return mission to Earth. And this is really cool because although we have lots of samples of Martian meteorites on Earth, if this mission is successful, this will be the first time we get pristine samples from the surface of Mars. And once the rover lands in Jezero crater in February 2021, it will right away start doing analysis from an astrobiology perspective. If we do end up finding signs of life on Mars, it's going to give us a completely new perspective on the origin of life on Earth itself, and may even help us improve medicine and treat the human body better. So what is the rover going to do is it's going to land on Jezero crater, drill these samples, cache them, and in 2026 there'll be a future mission that will go on Mars, collect these samples, and send them back to Earth. Sounds complicated? Probably, because it is. And not only this, the rover is also taking with itself a little friend. It's a Mars helicopter called Ingenuity, and this helicopter will be a technology demonstration, and it'll be the first powered flight on Mars, and that's just exciting and blows my mind. So I'll definitely be sitting on the edge of my seat in February 2021 on the landing date, and I hope all of you will join me from your screens, from your homes, and send good vibes for a successful land and the continuation of the mission. Have you ever wondered how different the atmosphere of Mars is compared to that of Earth's? Turns out it's significantly different because Mars has about 96% carbon dioxide in its atmosphere, while Earth has about 21% oxygen and 78% nitrogen, and all that oxygen is what helps us human beings do things like breathing and lighting fires. So do you think we can light fires on the surface of Mars? Well, let's find out with my favorite experiment. In this experiment, we're going to try to induce, in a small quantity, the Martian atmosphere. By that I mean make some carbon dioxide and see if we can light a fire. For that, we're going to have to light a fire first. We'll do it at a smaller scale with our little candle. These are all things that you can find in your kitchen. So first, we light a fire or a candle. There we go. And we carefully put it in our little jar. The next thing that we do is make carbon dioxide. We do that by using baking soda and some vinegar. Then you take some vinegar, and now you'll see a reaction starting to happen that will form the carbon dioxide. There you go. Then we gently tip this on top of this jar. As you can see, the candle is out. We didn't even pour anything, it was just the carbon dioxide, the gas that transferred onto this jar and cut off the oxygen supply of this candle and snuffed it out. So as you can see, it would be pretty hard to light a fire on the surface of Mars and even do simple things like breathe. So if you're thinking about moving to Mars, we definitely have a couple of things to figure out first. Try this experiment out and hope you enjoy it.